Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. Plugins allow you to add many different cool features and customizations on your server, such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called Tiger Reports. This plugin allows you to easily manage player reports. Hopping into this, be sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. Once installed, head into your server. With this plugin, players can report online and offline players with a cooldown and minimum amount of characters. If they don't specify any reason, a GUI is open to select one of the default reasons. When a report is sent, it notifies the staff with a clickable chat message that opens a menu. This menu allows the staff to teleport, punish, see advanced data, mark the report status, archive or delete the report, write and see comments, and even see the history of the player's reports. Now we will go through a list of the commands and what they do. To report a player, type the command \report player name. To see a list of all the reports, type the command \reports. To open data of a specific user, type the command \reports user and their player name. If a player spams the report command too often, he will be presented with an hour cooldown timer. If you need to stop the cooldown, type the command \reports stop cooldown and their player name. To display a list of all archives, type the command \reports archives. And if you need to reload the files of the plugin in-game, type the command \reports reload. This plugin is also compatible with Bungeecord servers. If you have a Bungeecord server, you have to configure a MySQL database in the config.yml file on each of your Spigot servers, and make sure that the Bungeecord option is enabled. To get to that file, go to your server, click on the Files drop-down tab, click on Config Files, and find the config.yml file for the Tiger Reports plugin. If you have any more questions, we will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can easily incorporate the Tiger Reports plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.